Ojo, please, I'm coming. I want to go and see my friend.
Honey, wait now. Where are you going to?
I want to go and see my friend.
I prepared something for you to eat too.
You prepare something for me?
Yes, sir.
Nobody leaves. What a nice combination.
Say I be fool, but I am a fool for you.
Ojo, honey, I want to ask you for something.
I'm all yours.
I need some money from you. I want to go to the market. I need some money. It's just 20,000 naira.
20,000.
Your love makes me.
Go and check your phone.
Thank you so much.
I just sent you 30 naira. Sorry, 33,000.
My phone is inside. I'm going to check. And you just enjoy yourself.
I just sent you money.
I eat something for you.
Please, I'm coming. I want to buy something. Let me move and see my friend.
Ojo, give me money for food.
I'm coming. I want to go and see my friend. If I come back, I will see you.
See which friend? Okay, wait there.
Money is the one that is inside first now.
There's no money inside of me. I don't want to hear anything.
Hey, school petting.
How Joe?
My very good friend. Apply to one doing this thing. Very good.
Where are you going?
I'm going to finish. Can't you look
Ah,
my
I
friend.
what again now? Good afternoon, sir. Mother greet.
Look at me.
Bless you.
She's doing.
Is she your daughter?
She's my daughter. Always greet people. If you see me greet, you greet. If I don't greet, you greet.
Hey, Papa Ojo, things should be done in a tactical manner. Things like this should be done at home.
Hey, school petting.
Charity begins at home, Papa Ojo. Train your daughter how to greet at home, not in the streets.
No problem. You have a point.
Of course. Is it now you want to start correcting her and forming embarrassment? Train your daughter well.
See, let's go home.
Oh, greet. Mother greet.
It's only how to eat.
I bet
Eat
me I'm
that you know.
tired.